Hey guys, hope everyone's doing fine and everything's going okay. Have a lot of crazy things going on in the world right now, so it's been kind of hard to get things to unbox. Like this particular unboxing here took me almost a month before I got it, but better late than never, I guess. So some of these things will be way late to get. So what I'll be unboxing today is Blue Ringer universal shock mount for the ball microphones, and also the InnoGear microphone arm stand. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. So let me get my assistant. Alright, let's get this, break the seal on this. Let's see. They send extra free extra free cardboard or something. Alright. There we go. This is the InnoGear. We get focus here. Come on. InnoGear microphone stand. And the Blue Ringer. Blue Ringer shock mount. You guys get to see that. Alright. And the reason I got this one specifically is because I love my Snowball ice microphone. This is a great microphone. I love this thing. So I decided to get the setup for it. You guys don't have to specifically get this shock mount, but this one was built for Snowball ice and round microphone, so why not? Alright. Release this. And here it is outside of this little packaging. There's a little spacer here. And that's plastic material. And then the connection here for whatever stand you'll be using. And it's adjustable. Which way you want to go here. I like it. It's pretty strong, solid built. Wow. I think the material is steel, I think. See if it has any information on here. Not really, but a few words on here. You don't really get anything else with this shock mount. It just tells you isolates microphone from your vibration, you know, and it's the styling design. So, and it also works with any microphone with a universal thread mount. Okay, that one's outside now to unbox the InnoGear mic mount. Alright. Mic mount here. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. Let's take this plastic wrap off. Little foam pieces. Alright, so what you get the mount itself, the clamp. This looks like a seat clamp. It clamps down on your table or wherever you decide to put your mic. And also some zip ties. Zip your wires up. Okay, now let's take that off. Also send you a few pieces of information here. Register your product from InnoGear and their little manual, the user manual here. How to set up your little clamp or stand for mounting, whatever they call it. And then some specs on the back. Alright. I don't need any instructions for this. You just release it, space it out so you get the space you want. I got to tell you guys, this is very strong. I think this is steel also. Very strong. So if you guys want a good mount, it's one of the reasons I picked this one. A lot of them are flimsy and they have like a little spring, but if you get one of those, it'll be cheaper, but you'll also have to replace it sooner. So I got this one because it's more sturdy. It lasts longer. Okay, I'm just gonna clamp it down to my table real quick. And it's got some compression. It's kind of hard to move, but I like that strength. That's what I like. And we got our shock mount. And the size of this is the size of this snowball, so I really don't have to do anything. But if you have like an adapter inside, take it out, because this shock mount is the exact size for this mounting hole here. So you don't have to think about anything. Just screw it in there. I'm gonna line it up. It is not. There we go. I'm gonna line it up here. It's the adjustment right here, guys. I'm gonna line it up because it was not lined up a second ago, but here it is. You can see it's all lined up, and then you can connect it to your mount here. Not easy. Everything's spinning around at the same time here. They should have put some spray on here to make the thing smoother. Alright, there it goes. But so you can adjust it to wherever you want it. There's a little adjustment here. You guys can see. Let me show you guys the adjustment right here, so you can have it adjusted whichever way you like. Move it around. I move the microphone up, but this is a very strong mic stand. So if you guys want a mic stand that can hold this weight, has the strength, because a lot of them are just like pieces of weak springs that don't hold it for long. So try not to make this video any longer, but hopefully this was informative and helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.